and while we're waiting for that to dry, let's glue up some PVC. Oh. Huh. Oh. Yeah. I might have to warm up my PVC glue just a little bit. Darn it. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we can start gluing. So I've got, I'll explain this all to you real quick here. Got your pump. Got 1/2 inch threaded for here. Then out to 1 inch, which is going to go to the long piece. Long piece is going to go to our union, shorty, shut off, shorty, tub. So what I'm going to be able to do is glue all this together, and when I'm done using the tub, I don't want to leave the pump outside. I don't want it to freeze, whatever. So I can have the union on there. I can shut off the tub, undo the union. This much water shouldn't freeze really at the bottom. And I can take this whole other piece out and bring it inside, bring it somewhere warm, whatever. And again, that's why I'm going to flare this guy so I can have the same thing here, undo the flare, and it'll be like, act like my union for the copper. My PVC cement is warm, but still pretty goopy, but that's fine, it'll still work. Good coating on everything. And anytime I glue, I push in and give a 1/4 of a turn. And sometimes you'll see the PVC start moving out, but usually if you give the 1/4 of a turn, it stays there. I'm just anal retentive and like cleaning up my seams, so you'll see me wipe off all my seams. And little hint, when you're gluing ball valves, open your valve, because if you get glue drippage down there onto the closed ball, it'll glue this valve shut. You also don't need a whole ton of it in here. You don't need to glue all the way down to the ball. You can see I've just done it like 3/4 of the way, and then obviously plenty on here, and push it a little turn. Alright, so there's two to the tub. Now we got to go to the union. Same deal. Just a wee bit on there. And move it on down. Clean it up. I usually separate my unions just the same thing as the ball valve. You get it in here, it'll glue this union together, and then you're never getting it apart, and well, it's not a union anymore if you glue it together. This is an excellent show, actually. You can just see in there. See how there's a little bit of glue coming out of the inside there? That's what I'm talking about. So if I glued this ball valve and had it upright like this, that glue can run down and hit the top of the ball and glue this sucker shut. So I've done a little bit of PVCing in my time, so I'm you're kind of good at it. Alrighty. I also want to, I don't know why the manufacturer puts their stickers right here. It's so annoying. But they are paper, and I try not to glue over them because that is not PVC. So you can, little knife, little scrapey, get most of that sucker off of there. Oh, that's a lovely noise. And voila. So, there you've got your, it's going to be too long, obviously, if I, if I show you. So, to the pump, I just picked a random figure on how far away I want to be from the tub. And then we've got our union. Like so. And there we go. One intake for hot tub. Alright, so the next thing is going to be flaring tool 101. I'll be right back for that.